All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is June 14th, 2025. It is the day of the protest for the ICE in the city of Palm Springs. Here, what are we going to expect? I'm not quite sure. I expect a peaceful protest, but the police in my city seem to think otherwise. On the way over here, I saw a nice greeting from a helicopter, so we'll see what's really going to happen. I noticed there was an overwhelming police presence at the protest. It turned out that prior to the event, there was a bozo that thought it would be a great idea to make an online post threatening to shoot the peaceful protest. It's horrible to know that there's idiots out there that will love to harm innocent people at a peaceful protest. Luckily, that person got caught, charged, and was off the streets. So amen to that. As soon as I got there, I noticed there was a lot of people there protesting in a peaceful manner. Everybody was out there with their signs and just cheering on the cause that they believed in to be right.
My name's John Doe. I live in Palm Springs all my life, and that's about it. I'm just an average guy, nothing too special, but like everyone else here, I'm mad.
What brings you out here?
Well, for me, I just don't like the way the country's going. I really don't. Our infrastructure is crumbling. Women are losing rights year by year. It's more clear than ever before. Our leaders are just paid and in bed with corporations. And we're the ones that pay the price. We are. They keep passing laws that make them richer and richer. Meanwhile, most of my friends, they work three jobs, going on fucking 4. You work 2? Yeah, you too. Am I okay to curse or no? Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. It's getting ridiculous. You're an average Joe. You try to work hard. You fucking know. And that gap is getting wider and wider, and that's what brings me out. I can't. I haven't participated in a lot of things, but I can't, man. It's affecting me. It's people I know and love. That's why I'm here. So my statement with the flag is it's upside down. It is upside down. And I wave this here and now with all my brothers and sisters. We are all brothers and sisters, or one. Doesn't matter what your color is. You're my sister. You're my brother. You're my brother. You're my brother. So it means the international symbol for distress, an upside down flag. And I think that perfectly says to me what I'm really is. At the core, I am in distress.
So walking down the street, the protest was going very smooth. Everybody peaceful, standing with and holding up their homemade signs. It was a sight to see. So if you're a big fan of reading literature, this was a place to be.
Well, I'm here because of inequality, and because the person that has been elected our leader is not a leader. He is everything on this side and not everything on this side. And it's disgusting and appalling, and we need to stop. That's why I'm here.
Yes, my name is Ernie, and I'm here because we all matter. I think we have to support each other, and it's not just about illegal immigration. It's about the rights of all people to be protected and to be treated humanely. So that's my statement.
And tell us about that outfit you're wearing.
This outfit is from Nigeria, and I wore it to represent the affiliation of black people with the struggle of what's going on in America right now, because we didn't ask to come here. We were transported here. And so these people are here to do artist work, and I think we should support them.
All attendees were in full peace mode, walking around enchanted in unity. It's good to see all different backgrounds in unison, getting together for a good cause.
My name is Adrian Lugo Trejo, and I'm here for my entire race and all the families that are being oppressed and taken advantage of all over the country for no reason. There's no reason at all. There's been a lot of oppression over the last few years, but this is the worst that it's been at. And we really hope that these protests will do something. Will help legislators and people who are voting Trump or some other people change their mind and maybe vote for a different people the next election cycle, I'd say.
When you see a lot of people here, does it excite you?
Yeah, it's very inspiring. It's very inspiring out here, especially with all the chanting and all the flags out here. It's definitely very inspiring and helps a lot.
Oh man, any last words?
Que viva la raza!
Okay.
Que viva!
My name is Jamie. I'm here at the protest because I'm a local to the Coachella Valley, and my whole life I felt really connected to the community here and always felt safe, protected. And as I matured and grew up and moved to Riverside, started seeing what was going on in our country and in our very state, 2 hours away in LA, and until it got to my city of the Coachella, I realized that we're not safe. None of us. Doesn't matter if you have papers or not. We can be a target. And today I actually, do you want me to keep going? Okay, well, basically I just had my first encounter with like Trumpies and like immigrant people on my way to this protest, which was really surprising. But I was happy to find that I still feel safe in this community. Just seeing the support that's here, I just wish everybody felt this safe. And I want to fight for everybody's right to feel safe in our country. Nobody is illegal on stolen land.
So unity is the key to these events. Everyone here is bonded by love and appreciation. That's love, when everyone is a stranger and they can get together for the sake of love for their faceless brothers and sisters. That's great. Palm Springs definitely showed up and definitely showed the colors by having love. So shout outs to the residents of the Coachella Valley. All right, so the Palm Springs ICE protest was very, very good. A lot of people just kind of voicing who they are and saying what they're against, which is mass illegal deportation. Everybody was getting along, no fussing, no fighting. Everyone just peaceful and just letting everybody know that they are pro-Latinos. And if you watch the end of the video, guys, do me a favor and please like, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.